Your Ford Bronco brings the fun to every adventure with a removable soft top option. Your soft top can be opened partially, or you can fully open it, and you can actually remove the whole thing. You can do this without removing any of the windows. Simply lower the visors, then release these two latches in the headliner. Push the soft top up and toward the rear of the vehicle. Be sure that the top folds into an S shape so as not to damage the fabric. When this lever is parallel to the sport tube, the top is in the correct position. Be sure that the top is properly latched onto the mechanism on the sport tubes on both the driver and passenger sides. If it doesn't latch, open it and firmly fold it again. In the glove box, you'll find these Velcro straps to hold it in place if you're going off-road or just driving on rough roads. For this, you'll need to remove the rear quarter windows and rear window. We'll start with the rear quarter windows. Release the Velcro at the top of the window. Then, starting at the top, pull the rear edge of the fabric out of the slot. Now, unbuckle the 3 clips at the top and release the front edge by pulling the fabric out of the slot. Slide the bottom panel forward all the way out to remove it. Repeat the process for the other rear quarter window. Now, onto the rear window. Release the Velcro all along the top and flip it up. While handling the hard plastic edge, pull the bottom corners rearward to disengage the clip. Avoid pulling on any portion of the fabric. Then, remove the top corners from the slots. Unbuckle the 4 clips at the top and slide the bottom of the window out, left or right. Now, let's go back to the soft top. Remove the straps, then press down the handle on the driver's side of your vehicle to unlatch the soft top. Lift and rotate the soft top towards the rear of the vehicle. Press down on both sides of the soft top to latch it. Then add the Velcro straps to secure it. From this position, it's easy to fully remove your soft top. Start by removing the panel covers above the rear wheel wells in the cargo area. You may want to place a rag or towel down behind the quarter trim to catch the bolts so they don't fall into the wheel well. Next, get the Bronco toolkit from your glove box. Find the 13mm socket tool to remove the 3 bolts on each side. Push up on these latches on each side of the rear corners of the soft top. Placing towels on the rails will help protect them from getting scratched when you lift the soft top off with a friend's help. Store the top in a secure area, then replace the panel covers and you're good to go. Start by once again removing those panel covers. Then, with a friend, place the top back on the vehicle and secure the 3 bolts on each side, replacing the panel covers when you're done. Remove the straps, then unfold the soft top by pressing down on this latch. Then, grab this rail and lift the soft top back to the partially open position. Next, you must reinstall the rear window. Slide the window in the frame at the bottom, making sure to insert the top corners into the slots and then pushing the bottom corners in. Fasten the 4 buckles at the top and press along the top of the window to secure the Velcro strap. Now, reinstall the rear quarter windows. Slide the window in at the bottom. Insert the front edge of the window into the slot on the C-pillar. Insert the rear edge of the window into the slot on the rear window. Now, fasten the 3 buckles at the top. It's important to make sure that the top edge of the window is tucked under the tension cable at the front. This will help avoid water leakage. Press along the top of the window to secure the Velcro strip and repeat these steps for the other rear quarter window. Fully unfold the soft top, then secure the 2 latches in the headliner. To gain quicker access to the cargo area, simply open the swing gate, then push up on these latches on each side of the soft top. Then lift up the back just enough to fit the length of the prop bar. Pull down the prop bar and secure it to hold the top in place. Now you have more space to load your gear. Any questions? Go to Ford.com/support.